Hello, welcome everyone to the channel. This is the question number 6, detect loop and linked list. From the topic linked list in Geek for Geeks website, must do coding question. And just have a quick look at the question. If you have any doubts, leave a comment below. If you like the video at the end, please do like it and also subscribe. If you have extra IDs, please use those extra email IDs also to subscribe our channel. That will be very helpful. Now let's move on to the approach part. Coming to the approach here, we have one example given as n equal to 3, okay, and we have a value 134, and this 134 is a linked list here, and in the example he's saying that there is a loop at the second position of the linked list here. Now let's draw that linked list first. 134. Now he said we have a loop here, so if there is a loop, this is how we represent here. Okay, now we got a loop. Now let's understand the question first. There are two types of pointers here. One is slow pointer. Let's call it SL pointer. And both will start from the head position here. And another pointer, let's call it fast pointer. Okay. And here slow pointer will move one step ahead. This will move one step ahead. And fast pointer will move two steps ahead. Okay. At the initial stage, there are equal, but at the final stage, okay, or at the mid stage, we need these two elements to be equal. Two elements address should be equal, right? Now let's proceed with the game. This will move one step ahead. Slow pointer, fast pointer will move two steps ahead. Now slow pointer will be here. It moved one step, okay, in first iteration. And fast pointer, it have moved one step and again have to move one step because there is a loop. It will come to this one pointer again here, okay. Now let's take another diagram here. Okay, the fast pointer is here. Okay, now the slow pointer will work again. 1, 3, and 4. Let's move the slow pointer and fast pointer from the above example. Now the slow pointer will come here, and the fast pointer dot next one. The one step ahead is 3 here. Fast pointer will come here. Then again it will take dot next because it has to move two times here. So it has moved one time. Again another time it will come here. See. Now those both elements have landed at the same position. So if these both elements have landed at the same position, right? Then there means a loop is existing here somewhere. So where is that loop? It is always the previous address. Wherever this SL and FA values are equal, it is always the previous address of the value where the loop existing, right? So the previous address of the value loop, which is 3 in this case, because this is the starting point, right? Where SL and FA was equal. So after iterating also we got at the same position, equal part. So previous address at this part, which is 3 here. So this is the position number 2. Okay. And this is the logic behind the question. We use this slow pointer and fast pointer. Slow pointer used to go one step ahead and fast pointer we use to move two step ahead. Wherever this two pointer meet, then that means there is a loop existing. If the loop is existing, that will the previous value wherever these both elements are have met, then that means the previous value of that is the loop existing part. So this is the logic behind the question. If you have understood, that is good. If you haven't understood, let's move on to the coding part. After that, I hope the code will be much clearer to you. Now we're inside the coding part here. Now as we have discussed, we have taken a slow pointer and we have taken a fast pointer here, and we are also checking if the slow pointer and fast pointer are moving towards the final value, which is none here. In the case of none, the while loop will not go move forward. Okay, in case of none. So we are also checking fast p dot next, because we are also checking dot next because fast pointer is moving two times, right? So what if it came to the second last element and you just have to check one element ahead? So there will be no need to check two elements ahead because there is only one element remaining. So in that case, fast p dot next is used to, this condition is only used to check the next address is none or not. If address is none, it won't work. If it is not none, then the loop will continue. Okay. Now in the slow pointer, we're moving one step ahead. Now in the fast pointer, we are moving two steps ahead, right? Now if those both meet after a certain point and they are both equal, if they are both equal, then that means a loop is existing. In this question, he only asked if there is a loop or not. He didn't say we have to find an element. So that question is in the next part. The next question is to find the element where there is a loop, and we'll discuss that in a separate video. For now, we just have to detect if the loop is existing or not. We got the loop, then we return true. And if slow p and fast p, if they are not equal, then that means there is a no loop here. After iterating all elements, we return false as the answer. So this is how we do this iterate loop in linked list. I hope you have understood the question. If you have any doubts, just leave a comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. We'll bring more questions like this. That will be very helpful to you. And if you subscribe our videos, it will also be helpful to us. If you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe with those. Now, thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in the next question.